Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn the flags of different countries of the world with the pictures. So let's start. This is the flag of India. This is the flag of Australia. Flag of China. Flag of Thailand. Flag of Indonesia. Flag of Vietnam. Flag of Russia. Flag of Malaysia. Flag of Canada. Flag of Turkey. Flag of Bangladesh. Flag of Saudi Arabia. Flag of Kuwait. Flag of Italy. Flag of Nepal. Flag of Spain. Flag of France. Flag of Afghanistan. Flag of Iraq. Flag of Tanzania. Flag of Gabon. This is the flag of United Kingdom. Flag of Sri Lanka. Flag of Kenya. Flag of Singapore. Flag of Philippine. Flag of Brazil. Flag of Pakistan. Flag of New Zealand. Flag of Oman. This is the flag of UAE. So, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.